In Microsoft Excel, text wrapping is a common task which we try to do often. If we try to work in Excel long time or many years, basically we must feel this issue how to wrap our text into multiple lines, but it should be into a single cell. Suppose here we are seeing on Excel sheet, this is not expected most of the time. So what we are trying to do to wrap this text and to present like this way or this way. So let's check how we can do this thing. It's very simple and easy. We just need to click couple of times, like 2-3 clicks are fine to do this thing. I mean to do the job. Let's check how we can do this thing. To wrapping any line of text or multiple line of text, at first we need to open particular Excel file. After opening the Excel, we need to go to the cell where we want to apply text wrapping. Suppose for this cell the line is very big. Okay, I want to wrap this text, so it's very simple. What we need to do, we need to select the cell, then we have to click on home, and once home is clicked, then we'll find one portion which is called alignment. We have to come this part, and here we'll find one button which is called wrap text. We just need to click here to format the text, that means to wrap the text, and once we click here, then we'll see like this. The width of the column will be remaining same, but the height of the column it expanded and the text is wrapped properly. Now we applied for only one particular cell. If we want to wrap whole column, the text basically, then we have to choose the column. We have to click here and we have to choose, and again we have to click home, then we have to go to the alignment, and from here we have to click this wrap text, this button, and voila, we done it. It's very simple and everything is done properly. All the text is wrapped properly. So that's it. In this way we can easily wrap particular cell text or the whole column cell text. Hopefully this video will be very helpful for you. If you have any question, just put in the comment section, and thank you for watching the video.